Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to Petrotancy. So today we'll check another software. Earlier we have seen in several videos that how we have coded several softwares using Python, okay, and that has also been tested by using real data set. And I think you are liking these channels as I have seen several hundreds of views of every videos. So it's good. It's inspiration for me. So you are motivating me to give more videos, to create more videos like that. And so today we'll check another software that is Stratigraphy plot. So suppose you are having a particular study area, you are doing interpreting your seismic data and okay, and your well data also are having. So in this well folder, you have seen that there are for each and every wells there are some stratigraphy chart, okay. So these charts are like that. So let's see. So such kinds of stratigraphy you have seen in your study area, right? So now if you want to plot such kind of stratigraphy using uh, Python programming, okay, so how that output will be looks like, okay, will be look like. So we'll see that things. So maybe you have done this kind of things, stratigraphy plot by using commercial software, but I have coded this software using Python. So till I am still learning this software since more than 5 years, okay. So I am still a learner. So just uh, for your curiosity, or maybe you will get some inspiration from these videos that you can also develop such kinds of softwares, okay. And so let's see how the output will be looks like, okay. So this is my software programming. Now I am going to run this, okay. So run module, and you can see that the output, it is showing something, okay. And this output is a stratigraphy of a well, okay. So this stratigraphy and what stratigraphy we are having, so whether we have done similar kind of things or not, so you can check it, okay. So if you see our plot, that similar things, right? So what PDF we are having, so you can generate soft copy like that by doing Python programming. So it is not if you are passionate about Python programming, so you can uh, generate such kind of stratigraphy of well, okay, using Python programming. So that's it, and this is objective of today's videos, okay. So I would like to request you, please subscribe to this channel and like the video so that it will give me inspiration to create more creative videos, okay. Especially for applications, Python application in geosciences, oil and gas. So that's it. So see you in the next video, and bye bye.